It's finally here. Y'all know. The day has come where we're about to unbox my bulk order. It actually came yesterday unexpectedly. I did not think it was gonna ship that quickly. It literally took 4 days. And y'all know I've been waiting for this moment, so I have to capture it on camera. So we're about to unbox. This is some BTS behind the scenes of being a clothing brand owner. Okay. Okay. This one is the lightest package that I have. So yeah, I really thought I was gonna have to come out of pocket paying money for tariffs because y'all president wanna act up. So I'm just blessed that I ain't have to pay none. Alright y'all, so yeah. Should we try one on? I think we should. Based in heaven. Okay, right off the bat, y'all know I'm rocking with it. They got me right. Can I what is that? Yeah. I'm just so blessed that I get to live this life that I live. Stay tuned because this is about to be like a whole journey that I want y'all to come with me on. I'm finna start doing clothing brand content. Y'all gonna see the creative process that goes into it. Wait, pause. I don't believe I asked for extra large. Currently unboxing the other boxes, and the first one I pull out is an extra large. You're probably like, why is that a big deal? It's a big deal because I didn't ask for extra large. So I'm finna figure out how many they sent me and kindly reach out to them. Yeah, cause what? I am hungry.
Yeah, man, hungry. We got
We both hungry.
Peas and cabbage and plantains. Y'all know what time it is, man. I know what time it is. Like, I feel like basketball players have good correlation. Basketball players have good correlation to golf because of the trajectory of when we are shooting and aiming for something. We have very good hand-eye coordination. So, niggas like us, we don't miss. We don't miss. Yo, beanie matches my eyes.
You want people to know you have colored eyes so bad.
Can you tell, like, when you look at me, I have colored eyes, or
yes,
like,
because you be like staring into people's soul when you talk. You better not be staring into people's soul when you talk. What was that look? That look a red flag. Can I vent for a sec?
I want some AC.
Can I
I'm
for a
the AC
sec?
back.
We need to get tennis balls or a tennis racket.
Wow.
But I need to just practice like turning off my brain at night.
Yeah.
Cause it's not cause like I be in my
Like this.
late night vibes. Let's go see what D-Boy doing. He just got done getting his hair retwisted. So let's see what he up to. Do you like your hair?
Hmm?
We wearing the same shirt, except you got it in black. You done for the night? You out to call it a day?
I'm about to plan for tomorrow so I can have a productive weekend.
I love that for you.
I'm probably planning for like 15, 20 minutes. Plan on shooting some car content tomorrow, so I want to bring the drone, get a little overshot, get some videos of the whips.
That's tough. I might wear my jacket tomorrow.
It's from 10 to 2, but I also want to get some hooping content. I'm trying to figure out how to do it.
Hooping,
Nothing wrong?
I don't know, because hooping is like the butt crack of dawn. Like, is it like 9:30?
Yeah.
It's like 9:30. Unless, how long you trying to hoop for?
Yeah, 9:30 or 10:30.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe you just be telling me 9:30 so I can be ready whenever I come film for you. I don't know. But yeah, y'all. I think he finna get ready to go to sleep, but I'm about to do some editing and some planning, because we have a busy 3 months ahead. Wait, 3 months? Really 2 months. A busy 2 months ahead. A lot of planning to be done. D-Boy birthday coming up. My mama's birthday coming up. Like, it's a lot of stuff happening. So yeah, my package came in. I need to plan a trip with T so we can link and get some visuals out. Get some visuals filmed. I need to plan like 2 short films. Yeah, it's a lot going on. I ain't gonna speak on too much just because never know who watching. I talked to my mom today. You know what she told me, y'all? She told me, stop telling people everything that I'm about to do. And she's right. She's right. Because people really be trying to sabotage your plans for real. But I'm low key, y'all. I'm low key. So if you see me posting something and I'm not being low key, or I'm saying something and I'm not being low key, get at me in the comments and tell me, like, shh. I'll probably catch y'all tomorrow. I'm about to get into this editing. You know, once I start editing, I can't stop. Like, I'm locked in.